Hello, this is a presentation on chemosynthesis by Ruben Arderi, Benjamin Nguyen, and Tommy Chavez. It was long thought that the sun was the source of all energy. It was believed that all plants underwent photosynthesis, combining carbon dioxide with water to create oxygen and glucose. However, as of the 1970s, scientists discovered an alternative process from which plants obtained energy: chemosynthesis. By book definition, chemosynthesis is the synthesis of organic compounds by bacteria or other living organisms, using energy derived from reactions, typically in the absence of sunlight. In other words, this means that instead of using just carbon dioxide and water, chemosynthesis requires carbon dioxide, oxygen, and hydrogen sulfide to make formaldehyde, sulfur, and water. Unlike photosynthesis, undersea bacteria and select fungi, rather than the traditional leafy plant, use chemosynthesis. These organisms thrive in the abyssal and hadal zones, layers of the ocean where no sunlight can penetrate, between 2,000 to 6,000 meters below the water's surface. In these zones, you can find entire ecosystems that have adapted to the darkness by relying entirely on chemosynthesis. The ecosystems depend on hydrothermic vents, fissures on the planet's surface from which geothermically heated water flows. There are generally two types of hydrothermic vents: white smokers and black smokers. White smokers emit a lightly colored smoke that is rich in barium, calcium, and silicon. They are cooler and the flow is weaker than that of the black smoker. Black smokers emit the hottest, darkest plumes, which are high in sulfur content. These hydrothermic vents support many organisms. Such organisms include the giant tube worm, the hydrothermal vent crab, and the hydrothermal vent octopus. These organisms create their own food chain. Giant tube worms can be found near black smokers, stained orange from the emanating iron compounds. Hydrothermal vent crabs, which also dwell near black smokers, can be found clambering over volcanic basalt eating these giant tube worms, which in turn are eaten by the hydrothermal vent octopi. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is an overview of chemosynthesis. Thank you for watching. This presentation is dedicated to the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Estock. Congratulations, guys!